Yo guys, what is up? This is Goro and welcome back dito sa ating channel. So for today, what we are going to talk about is a project na meme coin. And this project is called Maxi Doge. Before we start, I would like to clarify na anything I say is not a financial advice kasi hindi naman ako financial advisor. And at the same time, hindi ako affiliated dito sa project na pag-uusapan natin and hindi rin sila SEC registered. And lastly, always do your own research before anything else, no? Kasi anything that is related to crypto is risky. With that said, tara proceed tayo dito sa video natin with Maxi Doge. So yun guys, so as you can see, ito yung kanilang Twitter account. So ito muna yung una kong papakita sa inyo. So yung Twitter account nila currently has a follower of 7,265 and medyo active naman siya and nagpo-post naman siya from time to time. As you can see, nag-update sila and ang kanilang recent post is 6 hours ago. Which is sinabi nila na meron silang na-raise na total of $350k US dollars. So if ever interested kayo, check nyo na lang yung kanilang Twitter account and syempre ililive ko na lang lahat ng links natin sa ating description box. Now move on tayo dito sa kanilang mismong main website. So as you can see, sobrang simple lang naman ang kanilang main website pero ayun nga, dahil meme to or meme coin, makikita nyo na yung mga designs nila dito is for meme coin talaga. Ayan, so kasi makikita mo yung mga details na dito or kanilang mga design. So merong Stank Supreme na pizza, I only buy in green candle, ayan, make trading illegal again, pump month, tapos ito si mismong Maxi Doge. So ito yung magiging itsura ng kanilang mismong character. So ito si Maxi Doge. So by the way guys, when it comes to meme coin, alam naman natin na ang pinakasikat is yung mga meme coin na aso and pusa. Pero syempre unang-una sa list natin, yung pinakasikat na meme coin na aso, si Dogecoin. So as you can see, supported to ni Elon. So aso siya. And then next natin is si Shiba Inu. Alam natin maraming pumaldo dyan dati. Tapos next natin is si Bonk. So if ever hindi nyo alam si Bonk, this one is from Solana. Ayan, so sikat din yan ngayon and meron silang launchpad na Let's Bonk and kalaban ito ni Pump Fan. Next naman natin is si Floki. So aso din yan. Next is si Dog with Coin or Dog with Hat. So ito yung aso na may hat lang. So sumikat din to and marami rin pumaldo dyan. And yung recent na sumisikat ngayon is yung without, yung dog without hat. So as you can see, puro aso talaga yung karamihan na sikat na meme coin or yung mga talagang meme coin na pinapasok ng mga retail or ng mga mainstream na investors. Now, going back dito kay Maxi Doge, I think yun yung reason kung bakit naging aso yung kanilang main character. And syempre, yung breed nito is malapit lang din kay Doge mismo, which is Shiba Inu siya, di ba? Syempre, pinakaiba niya, yung character nila, malaki yung katawan. So, yun yung pinakaiba ni Maxi Doge. So, yan guys, by the way, ang total risk nila as of recording is 375k US dollars and ang kanilang hard cap, nakalagay naman dito, is 602k US dollars. So, if ever interested kayo mag-buy dito, just click Connect Wallet and upon clicking, lalabas dito yung mga wallet na pwede mong gamitin. One is Best Wallet. So, this one is also launched in Best Wallet nga pala. If ever hindi nyo alam si Best Wallet, meron akong video about doon. I think you should check that out. Next naman is yung Wallet Connect. Next is, syempre, ang pinaka-ginagamit natin mula pa dati is yung MetaMask and Coinbase Wallet. If ever wala ka ng wallet, I think pwede card. Pero I suggest, no, pag-participate ka sa mga pre-sale, I suggest always gamitin nyo is mga crypto wallet and hindi ako gumagamit ng mga card talaga kasi syempre para secured yung ating details. Pero nga syempre when it comes to meme coin, lahat ng meme coin is risky. High risk, high reward ang lahat ng meme coin. Kahit anong klaseng meme coin pa yan. Hindi natin alam talaga kung anong papaldo. So for example yung dating Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, Bonk, etc. Hindi natin alam na mataas yung magiging percentage ng kanyang ROI. So, lahat ng nasa meme coin natin is hit or miss lang. So, next is yung kanilang tokenomics. So, meron sila ditong iba't ibang categories. So, one is yung Maxi Fund, second is yung marketing, dev, liquidity, and staking. So, meron din silang staking and upon, parang reviewing to kanina, nakita ko na pwede ka agad mag-stake after mo bumili ng mismong token. So next is yung kanilang roadmap. So as you can see, if ever hindi nyo naintindihan yung kanilang roadmap, no, memeable din kasi talaga yung kanilang roadmap. So as you can see, Red Bull and first 1000x leverage trade. So fold up, ganyan. Tapos ito yung number 3 which is yung ask mom for marketing. So makikita nyo, if ever retail ka, baka hindi mo naintindihan kung ano yung meme coin. So lahat ng karamihan na nandito is parang joke lang. So pero lahat yan is iba't ibang klase dinideliver. So for example, ito, ang ibig sabihin nito is for marketing lang yan. So nalagyan na lang ng iba't ibang details para maging memeable yung kanilang mismong roadmap. So sa kanilang white paper naman, meron silang nakalagay dito yung challenges and solution nila. So when it comes to their challenges, sabi nila, lahat naman ng nasa crypto is kapag retail ka or small investor ka, medyo mafo-FOMO ka, lalo na pag nakikita mo yung mga whales na napakalaki nung pinapasok na pera. And syempre, dahil malaki yung kanilang ni-risk or pinasok na pera, malaki rin yung kanilang nakukuhang balik. So for example, ayan, swing 8 figures positions rarely stand a chance. So yung mga retail investors daw is walang panama or walang laban pagdating sa mga whales. So guys, sa solution naman nila is, ang pinopromote nila is more on conviction or yung holding ng mismong token. So sabi nila, holding Maxi token will grant you community alpha, gamified trading events that pushes holders beyond ordinary gains. So syempre, lahat ng nasa white paper nila is promises lang. Kaya if ever naman, syempre, no, mag-invest kayo dito, make sure na yung mga tamang investment lang. Huwag yung mag-all in kayo kasi like I said, lahat ng meme coin is hit or miss lang. So by the way guys, no, Maxi token is ERC20. So meaning under siya kay Ethereum network. So medyo mataas ang gas fee natin dito. And syempre, alam naman natin when it comes to Ethereum, hindi agad nagsisell yung karamihan dito, lalo na pag mga conviction play sila. Unlike sa Ronin, sa Solana, or sa ibang mga chains. So dahil mababa lang yung gas fee doon, kahit mga times 2 or times 1.5 nag-out na agad yung mga holders doon. Now when it comes to Ethereum, medyo mas mataas yung chance. Hindi ko sinasabi na 100% sure ako, pero mas mataas yung chance na mas nag-hold yung mga holders dito talaga ng mas matagal. Kasi nga guys, kapag nag-out sila ng times 2, ang laki ng gas fee. So mangyayari, mababawasan pa yung times 2 nila na profit. So like I said, isa sa mga or tatlo sa mga nilista ng utility dito is yung staking, trading contest, and partner events. Pero syempre, dahil naka-pre-sale pa lang si Maxi token or yung Maxi Doge, is hindi po muna natin maasahan itong mga to. So, ang mangyayari dito is medyo matagal pa siguro to. And syempre, when it comes to pre-sales, hindi mo aasahan na talagang sobrang bilis ng progress nila. Kasi guys, after pre-sale, tsaka pa lang syempre gagalaw or mangyayari iba sa kanilang nasa roadmap. Dahil guys, ang reason ng pre-sale is syempre para magkaroon sila ng funds. And after nila magkaroon ng funds, tsaka pa lang nila magagawa yung karamihan sa kanilang nasa roadmap. So guys, yun, I think yun lang para kay Maxi Doge. And ulitin ko nga, this is a meme coin. And syempre, when it comes to meme coins, high risk and high reward tayo dito. And syempre, if ever magkakaroon ako ng update, I'll make sure to post it on all of my socials. Kaya naman, syempre, dapat i-follow din kayo doon. Yun lang guys, and see you sa ating next video. Ingat!